Here you go, Elsa.
Emma, do your homework.
Okay. Don't worry, just play. I would like strawberry milk, please. Coming right up. 1 coin, 2 coin, 3 coin, and 4 coin. Cool! Okay. Sorry, Elsa, we don't have Coca-Cola. Elsa, I can get you strawberry milk. Oh.
Emma, go do your homework.
Okay, Uncle.
Hey, if you finish your homework, I'll have a surprise for you.
Surprise?
But homework first.
Okay. I don't like homework. Huh?
Wow! Time to fix that car.
These are so cool, guys.
Time to get some water.
Oh no!
Ta-da!
Awesome!
Wow, it's super cool. Can I have a Coca-Cola now? Coming right up.
Cool!
Ta-da!
Wow!
Wow, that's so cool. I want to make another one. Oh no! Let's try to fix it, guys. There! What should I do? I'll put them back where they were. Right there. Let's get the other one. That right there. Now let's put it on the door. Okay.
Hey, what are you doing, Emma?
I'm just checking it out.
Have you done your homework yet?
No, I was playing with this a little bit and then it broke.
You haven't done your homework? You played with a toy without permission? Go give yourself a timeout. What? Emma, what is this?
It's just a little messy.
First, clean up, then go timeout, and then do your homework.
Okay. Now time out. I should do my homework first and ask if I could play with toys. Timeout's over now. Let's do homework.
Emma, are you almost done with your homework?
Yeah, Uncle, look.
Cool!
Nice! And the room is... Nice, Emma! And look what I brought!
Awesome!
Those toys are for me! Yay!
I said I had a surprise for you after you did your homework, right? Here it is!
Can I have a Coca-Cola, please?
Sure, just one though.
Okay.
Cool!
Thank you. Can I have one more, please? Please.
You're gonna have to ask the machine, Emma.
A machine? Okay. Can I have this soda? Yay, I see it. Huh? Soda is just juice.
Can't have too much soda, Emma.
Okay, Uncle.